James Webb Space Telescope movie script of man to understand the world. Through advanced technology, this ground-based telescope has become an important tool for astronomy. As the mysteries of the universe continue to be discovered, our understanding of reality has changed. Since its inception, the James Webb Telescope has provided unprecedented insights into aspects of astrophysics, including the origin of the universe, the formation of galaxies, and the search for the outdoor life. Its advanced instruments and advanced imaging capabilities have enabled astronomers to peer deeper into the past, capturing incredible images and data that challenge current theories and expand our understanding of the world. However, among many achievements, the latest discovery by the James Webb Telescope sent shock waves to the scientific community and promises to revolutionize our understanding of the structure of the universe. Prepare to be amazed as the James Webb Telescope has revealed an exciting new image of the edge of the universe that offers a glimpse into the great unknown beyond. This earth-shattering revelation has given rise to many ideas and speculations, raising questions about our nature and our place in the world. What did NASA's new telescope discover, and how will it redefine our understanding of astronomy? The answers to these questions are still at the forefront of scientific discovery, waiting to be discovered as scientists dig deeper into the mysteries of the universe. In the realm of exoplanet exploration, the James Webb Telescope has played a pivotal role in bringing humanity closer to the realization of a long-held dream, the discovery of distant worlds beyond our solar system. While previous exoplanet discoveries relied on indirect methods, such as observing dips in starlight, Webb's revolutionary technology has enabled astronomers to directly image exoplanets for the first time in September 2021. Webb captured the first-ever direct image of an exoplanet, revealing the presence of HIP 65426b, a massive gas giant located light-years away from Earth. This monumental achievement marked a significant milestone in the field of exoplanetary science, offering researchers a tantalizing glimpse into the diverse array of worlds that populate our galaxy. HIP 65426b, with its colossal size and distant orbit, represents just one of thousands of exoplanets waiting to be discovered and studied by the James Webb Telescope. As astronomers continue to analyze the data collected by this groundbreaking instrument, they hope to unlock the secrets of these distant worlds and gain valuable insights into the processes that shape planetary formation and evolution. In addition to its contributions to exoplanet research, the James Webb Telescope has revolutionized our understanding of distant galaxies and the fundamental processes that govern their evolution. Through its advanced imaging capabilities, Webb has provided astronomers with unprecedented views of galaxy clusters, ancient stars, and the cosmic web that connects them. One of the most remarkable discoveries made by the James Webb Telescope is the detection of SMACS 0723, a group of galaxy clusters that act as gravitational lenses, magnifying the light of distant objects behind them. This phenomenon, known as gravitational lensing, has enabled astronomers to observe ancient galaxies that were previously beyond the reach of telescopes, shedding light on the early stages of cosmic evolution. In addition, the James Webb Telescope has provided valuable insight into the formation and composition of planetary nebulae, such as the Southern Arm Nebula. By analyzing the light emitted from these atmospheric phenomena, astronomers have discovered the complex mechanisms that govern the life cycles of stars and the formation of planetary systems. The Southern Ring Nebula, thousands of light-years from Earth, has long fascinated astronomers with its complex structure and brightness. Through its observations, the James Webb Telescope has revealed previously unseen information about the formation and role of certain stars in creating their shape. One of the most interesting discoveries from Webb's observations is the presence of a third star in its central region, challenging current theories of its origin. This surprising discovery sparked interest in studying planetary nebulae and their role in ecosystems. In short, the James Webb Telescope stands as a symbol of human intelligence and our insatiable curiosity about the universe. With each new discovery, it pushes the boundaries of scientific knowledge and inspires future generations to discover the wonders of the world. As we embark on this journey of discovery, guided by the insights of advanced web tools, we can only imagine the amazing discoveries that lie ahead. However, Recent information suggests that the galaxies detected by the James Webb Telescope challenge current theories of the early stages of galaxy formation. These galaxies appear to be mature and forming, even though they were discovered when the universe was young. One of the wonders of the sky studied by the James Webb Telescope is the Stephan Quintet, a compact group of galaxies located 290 million light-years away in the constellation Pegasus. There are 5 galaxies in this fascinating cluster, 4 of which are involved in the cosmic dance and will soon encounter each other. The interactions of the grains in this galaxy game provide astronomers with a unique opportunity to study the effects of such collisions on the evolution of galaxies. The phantom galaxy, though faint in the night sky, was visible in its brightness when captured in the infrared by the James Webb Space Telescope. In a fascinating composite image, the researchers reveal the spiral structure of the galaxy and the fiber-like structures of hot dust and gas emanating from its bright center. In February, the telescope made a groundbreaking discovery that 6 giant galaxies existed between 500 and 700 million years after the Big Bang. As they are surprisingly old for their ages, these older galaxies challenge previous beliefs that smaller, younger galaxies exist at the dawn of the universe. In short, the James Webb Space Telescope continues to reveal the wonders of the universe, pushing the boundaries of our knowledge and challenging established theories. From the distant galaxies dancing to the wonders of the sky. As we head deeper into the universe, the James Webb Space Telescope has demonstrated its ability to capture the wonders of the sky and reveal mysteries previously hidden from view of man. The website is at the forefront of astronomical exploration, whether it's unraveling the mysteries of distant galaxies, looking at the winds of planets, or revealing the mysterious beauty of colliding galaxies. The data from the telescope not only excites the scientific community, but also captures the imagination of the public. All the discoveries made by the Webb's advanced infrared technology push the boundaries of our knowledge and force us to think about our place in the world. The exciting images and the amount of information collected by the internet are changing our understanding of the world, perspectives all the time. But the concept of the Webb is not over yet. Years of work have been planned, and the discoveries are just beginning. As we continue to refine our techniques for analyzing Webb data, we hope for breakthroughs that could revolutionize our understanding of dark matter, the early universe, and life beyond our world. The journey that began with the flawless launch on Boxing Day 2021 continues, showing exciting signs of global innovation and development. The amazing technological achievements of the James Webb Space Telescope are a testament to human knowledge and our endless curiosity. It is a window to the stars, a beacon of discovery, and a symbol of our collective desire to explore the great unknown. So, at the end of this part of the article, remember that the world is more vast and mysterious than we think. Thanks to the James Webb Space Telescope, we're getting closer to understanding its endless wonders. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click on the video on screen for more quality content. See you later.